Thank you for buying this sump pump from Fixture Displays. These are all the components you're going to receive. This is a 1 horsepower sump pump, fairly powerful. Come with a very long cable, for 110 volts. In the float, you're going to secure the float to a fixed object for a proper height setting. The pull rope is super long. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. It comes with 3 fittings for outlet. This is 1 inch. The other 2 are smaller. You're going to need an adapter to go bigger than 1 inch for a flexible hose and clamp. Encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. For detailed dimensions, the listing has a very detailed picture to make sure this fits in your application. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. This is the float. Typically, you would fasten this to the rigid pipe, a pole, or even body of the pump. Make sure you tighten that nicely. For this demo, we're using a flexible discharge hose. Now start by putting water right back into the bucket. As soon as the float is away from the water surface, the switch is off. I hope you enjoyed this product and this video. Do like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.